How to fix Instagram lagging on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram lagging on Android phone. Easy and quick. First thing, just open settings and then apps and apps again, and then just find Instagram here or type it like that and click on it. Now just click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and then just go back and turn off all the background applications, and that's it. Now just restart your phone and click restart, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.